Nature's Originals: How Selective Breeding Has Changed Our Food. Have you ever wondered how our food has transformed over time? Join us on Life Balance Guru as we explore Nature's Originals: How Selective Breeding Has Changed Our Food. Discover how selective breeding has shaped the fruits, vegetables, grains, and meat we consume today, impacting not just taste, but also our health. Join us for an eye-opening journey into the evolution of our diet. Imagine standing in a field of wild corn. The stalks are short, and the kernels are small and tough. This was the reality thousands of years ago, before humans began to change these plants to better suit their needs. Today, we have juicy, sweet corn with large kernels. So what is the process behind this miracle? It is called selective breeding. Let's delve into the concept of selective breeding. Selective breeding, also known as artificial selection, is a powerful concept that replaces natural selection in nature. It involves humans making decisions about desirable traits, such as producing sweeter apples. This method has allowed humans to drastically change the appearance, behavior, and health of many species in just a few generations. Selective breeding can work much faster than natural selection because humans can control which individuals get to reproduce. However, selective breeding is not the same as genetic modification, which involves directly altering an organism's DNA using technology like CRISPR to introduce new traits. It relies on the natural reproductive process and can increase the frequency of existing traits. Why do we use selective breeding? Selective breeding is widely used in agriculture to improve the yield and quality of crops and livestock. For instance, corn has been bred to produce more kernels per cob and to be more resistant to pests and harsh weather. Similarly, chickens have been bred to grow larger and produce more meat. The evolution of farmed animals. Selective breeding has had a profound impact on farm animals. Take chickens, for example. In the 1950s, chickens were much smaller than they are today. Through selective breeding, modern chickens have become significantly larger, particularly in terms of their breast meat. This change has been driven by the demand for more meat. Chickens bred for meat are different from those bred for egg production. Meat chickens, commonly referred to as broilers, are selectively bred for rapid growth and large breast size. Egg-laying chickens, or layers, are bred to produce a high number of eggs. When these layers can no longer produce eggs efficiently, they are often not used for meat because their bodies do not meet the standards for quality meat. Pigs have also been affected by selective breeding. In China, there has been a push to breed pigs that grow very large quickly to meet the high demand for pork. Some of these pigs can weigh over 1,000 pounds. Female pigs are also born to have larger litters, though this is a challenging trait to pass down consistently. There are so many challenges and consequences of selective breeding. It has some impact on our food too. Although selective breeding has significantly increased food production, it has also resulted in significant problems. One major issue is the health of the animals. Many selectively bred animals suffer from health problems due to inbreeding and the focus on specific traits. Inbreeding increases the likelihood of recessive genetic diseases. When closely related animals are bred, there's a higher chance that they will both carry the same recessive genes, leading to offspring with genetic disorders. For example, inbred cattle are more tending to conditions like osteopetrosis and dwarfism. Selective breeding can also result in physical problems. Chickens bred to lay many eggs often have brittle bones because producing eggs requires a lot of calcium, which is taken from their bones. Animals bred to grow large quickly, such as broilers, can suffer from heart issues due to the strain on their bodies. And that's a wrap. Selective breeding shapes our food more than we realize. From juicier fruits to plumper poultry, it's all about the traits we select. But remember, there's a delicate balance. Fast growth might mean fewer offspring. In conclusion, selective breeding has both benefits and drawbacks, impacting animal health and the quality of our meals. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Life Balance Guru to dive deeper into the world of food evolution.